Want to speak real Vietnamese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at Vietnamesepod101.com.
Xin chào các bạn, tôi là Linh, rất vui được gặp lại. Hello everyone, this is Linh and welcome back to Vietnamese Top Words. Today we will talk about top 25 Vietnamese phrases, and this is very easy and very useful, especially when you travel to Vietnam. So let's go now.
Xin chào. Xin chào. Hello.
Xin chào. Hello. Okay, in Vietnamese, actually, we don't say good morning or good afternoon or good evening, but we only simply say xin chào to everybody, everywhere, every time. And if you want to be more polite, and you can put the subject before the word chào. For example, em chào anh, em chào chị, cháu chào bác, cháu chào cô. And we have so many subjects based on who you are and who you talk with. So that's why if you want to just remember how to say hello to people, you can just say xin chào. Xin chào, tôi là Linh. Xin chào. Xin chào.
Chào bạn. Chào bạn. Hi.
Chào bạn. And chào bạn is a closer and more friendly way to say hello to someone that you close or someone younger than you. And actually it sounds still very polite, and you can use both xin chào or chào bạn. Is very polite and is okay, it's very normal, it's very common. And you can put the pronouns behind the word chào. For example, chào anh, chào chị, chào bạn.
Tôi đến từ Mỹ. Tôi đến từ Mỹ. I come from America.
After saying hello, it's supposed to be where are you from, right? And you can answer by very simple way. Tôi đến từ Mỹ. I'm from America. Tôi đến từ Đức. I'm from Germany. Tôi đến từ and country. Tôi is me. Đến từ come from, and the last one is your country or your city where you're from. Tôi đến từ Hà Nội. I'm from Hà Nội. Xin chào, tôi là Linh, tôi đến từ Hà Nội. Hello, this is Linh and I'm from Hà Nội.
Chúc ngủ ngon. Chúc ngủ ngon. Good night.
Chúc ngủ ngon you use when you want to say good night to someone before you go to sleep, or when you are chatting and texting and you want to inform them that this is my bedtime, I'm about to go to sleep and good night. You can say tôi chuẩn bị đi ngủ đây. Chúc bạn ngủ ngon. Tôi chuẩn bị đi ngủ đây. Chúc bạn ngủ ngon. I'm about to go to sleep. Good night. Or you can put the pronouns behind the word chúc to make it sound more friendly or more closer. For example, chúc em ngủ ngon. Chúc bạn ngủ ngon. Chúc mẹ ngủ ngon. Chúc ngủ ngon.
Tên bạn là gì? Tên bạn là gì? What's your name?
Tên bạn là gì? What's your name? Tên bạn là gì? This one is very common and very useful because every time you talk to someone, you have to know their name, right? So you can say tên bạn là gì? Actually, in English, that means what is your name, right? But in Vietnamese, it means bạn tên là gì? Your name is what? You put the pronouns and the subject before and the to be verb behind. Tên bạn là gì? Tên chị là gì? Tên anh là gì? Tên bạn là gì? Tên tôi là Linh. What is your name? My name is Linh. Tên bạn là gì? Tên tôi là Trang. What is your name? My name is Trang.
Tôi là I am.
Tôi là Linh. Okay, to answer the question what is your name, you can answer tôi là Linh. I am and your name behind. Tôi là Linh. Tôi là Thanh. Tôi là Thủy. I am Thanh or I am Thủy. I am something. My name is something. Tôi tên là Linh. My name is Linh. My name is Trang. Tôi tên là Trang. What's your name? My name is Linh. Tên bạn là gì? Tôi tên là Linh.
Rất vui được gặp bạn. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Nice to meet you.
Rất vui được gặp bạn. Nice to meet you. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Rất vui được gặp bạn is very common in Vietnamese because after saying hello or introduce where you're from, what is your name, you should say nice to meet you, right? So I will talk again from beginning. Xin chào, tôi là Linh. Tôi đến từ Hà Nội. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Hello, this is Linh. I'm from Hanoi and it's nice to meet you. That means nice to meet you or I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to see you. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Or if you meet someone again one more time, you can say rất vui được gặp lại bạn. Rất vui được gặp lại bạn. It's nice to meet you again. Xin chào, tôi là Linh. Rất vui được gặp lại các bạn trong video này. Hello, this is Linh. It's nice to meet you in this video.
Bạn có khỏe không? Bạn có khỏe không? How are you?
Okay, after introducing yourself, what's your name? Where are you from? I'm from somewhere and nice to meet you. And you can say bạn có khỏe không if to ask if someone is doing well. Or you can change the pronouns. Chị có khỏe không? Anh có khỏe không? Chị or anh instead of bạn. Chị có khỏe không? Anh có khỏe không? Bạn có khỏe không? How are you? Xin chào, tôi là Linh. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Bạn có khỏe không? Hello, I'm Linh. It's nice to meet you. And how are you?
Tôi khỏe, cảm ơn bạn. Còn bạn? Tôi khỏe, cảm ơn bạn. Còn bạn? I'm fine, thanks, and you?
To answer the question how are you, you can say with your friend tôi khỏe, cảm ơn bạn. Còn bạn thì sao? I'm good, thanks, how are you? Or I'm good, thanks, and you? Tôi khỏe, cảm ơn bạn. Còn bạn? Tôi khỏe is I'm fine. Cảm ơn bạn is thank you. Còn bạn thì sao? Or còn bạn, and you, or how are you? So, tôi khỏe, cảm ơn bạn. Còn bạn? I'm fine, thanks, how are you?
Làm ơn. Làm ơn. Please.
Làm ơn. Làm ơn. Please. Okay, this one obviously we need to use all the time to be polite, right? And for example, làm ơn cho tôi một kem sô cô la. Làm ơn cho tôi một kem sô cô la. Can I have a chocolate ice cream, please? Or làm ơn cho tôi mượn menu. Can I have a menu, please? Làm ơn cho tôi mượn menu. Can I have a menu, please? Làm ơn đến đúng giờ. Please come on time. Làm ơn đến đúng giờ. So don't forget it. Làm ơn. Làm ơn.
Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn. Thank you.
Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn. Thank you. Okay, so the rhyme is similar a little bit with the word please. Cảm ơn, làm ơn, right? But actually in English, the C sound is a little bit lighter than Vietnamese. In Vietnamese, you pronounce a bit stronger, heavy and clear, more clear, just like cảm ơn. Because some of my foreigners they pronounce come on or come on, but actually it's cảm ơn, just like K. So you pronounce stronger and clearer. Cảm ơn instead of come on. Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn.
Không có gì. Không có gì. You're welcome.
Không có gì. Không có gì. You are welcome or no problem. Không có gì. Actually, this one is a phrase. Is if you translate, không is no and có gì is yes. It's confused, right? But just use it. Không có gì. Cảm ơn bạn. Không có gì. Cảm ơn. Không có gì. It's not a big deal.
Vâng. Vâng. Yes.
Vâng. Yes. Vâng. Actually, the word yes mean vâng or có. Yes, I will do it or yes, I want it. So if someone asks you, em có muốn ra ngoài ăn tối nay không? Do you want to have dinner together? Vâng. Yes. Em có muốn ra ngoài ăn tối nay không? Vâng. Or if someone asks you, do you want to party together? Em có muốn đi tiệc cùng nhau không? Có. Em có muốn đi tiệc cùng nhau không? Có. Yes, I want to. Or yes, I will. So, vâng. Có is yes.
Không. Không. No.
Không. Không is no, and there's only one way to express the word no is không. So if someone asks you and if you don't want to go, don't want to do it, or you want to refill something, you can answer không. Em có muốn ra ngoài ăn tối cuối tuần này không? Em có muốn ra ngoài ăn tối cuối tuần này không? Do you want to have a dinner together this weekend? Không is no. I don't want to or I will not. And also không is zero to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the word không means no and also zero.
Ok. Ok. Okay.
Okay is okay. Okay. Okay, Vietnamese use okay too, and someone pronounce okay or someone pronounce okay. But it's okay to say yes. Yeah, instead of yes, you can say okay or okay. But actually, if you want to pronounce really, really strong Vietnamese, you can say okay. Okay.
Xin lỗi. Xin lỗi. Excuse me.
Xin lỗi. Excuse me. Xin lỗi. Actually, this one you can use for both excuse me or I'm sorry, but this one is very easy and very simple and very common. So, for example, if you can say xin lỗi, ở đây có nhà vệ sinh không? Excuse me, there's restroom here. Or xin lỗi, làm ơn cho tôi đi. Excuse me, can I go? So yes, remember to use xin lỗi. It's very common and still polite. Don't worry.
Tôi xin lỗi. Tôi xin lỗi. I'm sorry.
Tôi xin lỗi. I'm sorry. Okay, this one sounds formal and very polite to say I am sorry or I very apologize. Tôi xin lỗi. So if you use xin lỗi only, you can use for excuse me or I'm sorry. But if you want to express that you really regret or you are very, very sorry for something or something wrong that you've done, you can use tôi xin lỗi. Em xin lỗi, I'm sorry. Anh xin lỗi, I'm sorry. Tôi xin lỗi.
Bây giờ là mấy giờ? Bây giờ là mấy giờ? What time is it?
So if you are outside and you don't have watch, you don't have cell phone, and you want to ask what time is it, so you can come to anyone and say, xin lỗi, bây giờ là mấy giờ? Excuse me, what time is it? Xin lỗi, bây giờ là mấy giờ? And after they answer, bây giờ là 3 giờ, this is 3 o'clock. You can say, cảm ơn. Xin lỗi, bây giờ là mấy giờ? Bây giờ là 4 giờ. Cảm ơn.
Nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Where is the restroom?
Nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Where's the restroom? So in the mall or in the place you've never been to and you don't know where's the restroom, you can approach anyone and say, xin lỗi, nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Excuse me, where's the restroom? Or xin lỗi, toilet ở đâu? Excuse me, where's the toilet? And after they show you where is the restroom and where the way to go there, you can say, cảm ơn. Xin lỗi, nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Đi hướng này. Cảm ơn.
Đợi tôi một chút. Đợi tôi một chút. Wait a moment.
Đợi tôi một chút. Wait a moment. Đợi tôi một chút. Wait a moment. In Vietnamese, this means wait me for a moment. Đợi tôi một chút. So you also can say đợi một chút. Wait a moment. Đợi tôi một chút. Đợi một chút. Đợi tôi một chút. Wait me for a moment.
Cái này bao nhiêu tiền? Cái này bao nhiêu tiền? How much is this?
Cái này bao nhiêu tiền? How much is this? So when you are buying or shopping something and before you decide to buy, you should kindly say, cô ơi, cái này bao nhiêu tiền? Ma'am, how much is this? Or chú ơi, cái này bao nhiêu tiền? Sir, how much is this? Because Vietnamese people really like foreigners, especially when they can speak a little bit Vietnamese. So maybe they can have discount for you. So don't forget. Cô ơi, cái này bao nhiêu tiền? And if you got discount from them, you can say cảm ơn.
Tính tiền cho tôi. Tính tiền cho tôi. Could I get a check, please?
Tính tiền cho tôi. Excuse me, could I have a check, please? Tính tiền cho tôi. So after finishing your meal or after you decide to buy something, you can say, xin lỗi, làm ơn tính tiền cho tôi. Excuse me, could I have a check, please? Xin lỗi, làm ơn thanh toán cho tôi. Excuse me, can I pay please? So you can use both. Tính tiền cho tôi, thanh toán cho tôi. Could I get a check please? Can I pay please? Xin lỗi, làm ơn tính tiền cho tôi.
Cứu tôi với. Cứu tôi với. Help.
Cứu tôi với. Help me. Cứu tôi với. I really hope that you don't have to use it when you are traveling in Vietnam, but just in case you really need someone's help or you are really in tough situations, you should say cứu tôi với, and you should say it very, very clear, because if you don't pronounce it correctly, then maybe nobody knows that what you want or what you need. So you should say cứu tôi với. Cứu tôi với. Cứu tôi với.
Hẹn gặp lại. Hẹn gặp lại. See you later.
Hẹn gặp lại. See you later. Hẹn gặp lại. So the conversation or the meeting is going to be the end, and you want to say that goodbye, I want to see you again, or goodbye, hope to see you again. You can say hẹn gặp lại. Hẹn gặp lại is I want to see you again, or see you later, see you next time. Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi video và hẹn gặp lại các bạn ở video tiếp theo. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you in the next video. Bye. Tạm biệt. No, not yet, don't go.
Tạm biệt. Tạm biệt. Goodbye.
Tạm biệt. Goodbye. Tạm biệt. Yeah, I know this one is a bit hard for foreigners because you don't have this accent in English, but actually this sound is very common in Vietnamese. So you better practice, and time to time, slowly you will get used to it. Tạm biệt. Tạm biệt. But actually, if you really cannot pronounce this one, then you can say xin chào instead, because yeah, it's okay, it's not a big deal. Xin chào, tạm biệt, you can use to say hello or goodbye. But actually, only tạm biệt is for goodbye. But you can use xin chào for both. Xin chào, hello, and goodbye. Xin chào, tạm biệt. Okay, done. We just had 25 Vietnamese phrases, and I hope you enjoy it. It's easy, right? If you have any questions or recommendation, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to please like the video, subscribe the channel, and visit the website VietnamesePod101.com to learn more Vietnamese. I am Linh, and thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.